You didn't start recording it, right? Nutritional scientists have discovered the latest in weight loss technology, the incredible way to get thin quick diet plan. With this latest program, it is easy to lose pounds fast and easy, while still eating all the foods that you love.
Action. Action.
Oh, frick. Your ass.
This is us before we lost 30 pounds.
You got it?
Yeah. Action.
This is us after we lost 30 pounds with the incredible get this fit without even being hard work and still be sexy. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, get low, shorty. Ooh, yeah. Yeah.
Action.
This is us after taking the incredible Get Fit amazing.
Okay, I'll just hold it up for you.
I can't read that. The incredible way to get thin quick diet. You want to say it? Okay. The incredible way to get thin quick.
1. Go.
This is us after doing the incredible get thin quick
Diet plan. Good
I
job.
feel so much happier all the time.
I so sexy.
I have all this energy I never knew I had before. Energy. You're a woman. You're a woman. You're so terrible.
Don't eat her leg. Are you okay? Okay. That was the funniest thing I've ever seen. Okay. Are you sure it's just hotness?
We're so close to being done.
That's number 1.